So first of all, we need to draw up the shape that we can gather the eyes. So we draw the shape here. Yep, something like this. We can draw it longer. And then in the center here, we're going to draw the nose. The nose could be a bigger. Something like this. Yep. Okay, the next step is we're going to draw the eyes. The eyes is pretty much bigger than the nose. The reason why we need to draw up shape so that we can draw the eyes nicely. This, same to the right side. Yep, something like this. We draw our line so we get the eyes bowl. Like this. We change to another pen so we can draw the black color. Yep. The eyes here. So we continue that. We continue to complete the head of the barbarians. So we curve it down. Yep. Same to the right side. We draw it down. Make sure it's equal size. And then we complete the hair. So before the right side, we'll make sure we have the same height. Yep. And then we complete the hair. Okay, something like this. The next step is we're going to draw the hand. The big hand should be here. The reason why we need to draw the hand first because otherwise we can't draw up the face of the shape here. So we drop the line here. And then this is the finger. And then we complete the rest of hand. Yep. And then make sure there is the hand here. After that, we draw up the braid. The braid should be like this. Same to the right side. And the braid is pretty much longer. Yep, it's pretty good. After that, finally we can draw up the face. Yep, continue to the right side. Here we go. And then we complete the neck. We give it a end line here. And then don't forget we have the ears. Same to the right side. And pretty much we touch a bit. And then eyes brown. Yep, here we go. This is the Barbarians from the Royale Emote. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe and like. See you guys next time. Goodbye.